how writing articles will benefit your website. If you have a website or plan to have one and you don't know how to write articles, you need to start learning how to write articles, download articles from other authors. Have in mind that if you download articles from other authors, you need to follow some rules. One of them is that you can't change anything on the article and that you need to have the author name on the article, or the other choice that you have is that you need to pay someone to write articles for your website. If you want inbound links to your site, one way to do this without paying is writing articles and post them in different sites that allow you to submit articles. Make sure you submit your article on the right category, and also make sure you write the articles according to their terms. If you don't follow the terms, then you won't have your article published. One advantage that you can get with writing articles is that if your article gets submitted, that is an automatically inbound link to your site without having to add a link on your site to them. Also, a lot of people will read your article, and some of them will download your article for content on their site. Think about this for 1 second. This means for every person that download your article and add the article for content to their site, you'll get an inbound links to your site. Don't you think this is a good start? So if you are not that good with writing articles, you have couple options: link popularity, link exchange, or inbound links. I think if you want to have a good website, you need to combine all of them together, but as a webmaster, you always have your choices. I hope this article helps you to understand more about how writing articles will benefit to your website.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.